Hey, Kelly Staggs here, American Irrigator, trying to make you a better irrigator. Today in this video, I'm going to show you kind of one of the keys and one of the really, maybe not the most important, but one of the very important thing when you're solvent welding and gluing your pipes together. Let me show you something. Okay, when you're going to glue these pipes together, and I've been saying glue for so long, it's hard to change, and I'm going to try to actually change what I've been saying, because it's actually solvent welding is what it is. It's not just a regular old glue. It's actually fusing these pipes together. So I'm going to try to make myself say weld, and it actually makes you think of it a little bit different. But one of the keys to doing that and doing it properly is make sure this pipe is good and clean. And so, I mean, you want to get every edge, wipe it down, you can just rub that dirt off there. And then also, one thing that's kind of forgotten about, I mean, we can see this stuff, but is the dirt and stuff in that bell end. Now you can see a little bit of loose stuff, but let me turn it. You see that pipe's been sitting there, dirt's got in there. And so, man, make sure you clean all that out of there. And sometimes you get your hand in there, clean it out, and then you might blow that other dust out of there. But make sure that this stuff is clean, good and clean, before you put your primer on there, and then before you put your weld on there. And so this is a good key, good important thing to always make sure you do is clean this pipe before you try to start putting it together.